My name is Jody Wilson. I'm Bodyshop Manager. I run the body shop, and any operation within the body shop goes through me. So Holden offer a lot of staff training through the business, throughout sort of here in all the sites, which is really good and beneficial for everyone. And also alongside that, Volvo training or manufacturer training is probably among the best training you'll ever get in the automotive business. My current favourite car on the range is probably going to be the XC60. It's a good all-round car. It's a nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It'll do everything you want very capably. I'm looking forward to the future electric range within Volvo, whatever they're going to come up with next. The ES90, which I think is going to come soon, or on the list of Volvo range that's coming. As far as working on the cars go, the modern Volvos are good to work on. They're easy. You've got all the information on VIDA for anything you need to know. I also like working on the older cars as well, because it's like going back to basics. They're quite easy to work on and very rewarding as well. Outside of work, I enjoy motorsport. So I've been involved with a local motor club now for years, probably since I was 12, 13 years old. In 2006 I got my co-driver's license, so I was co-driving in a rally car, and then I got myself a car and I was driving in stage rallies as well, and had some good class results with that. One of the highlights, as well as working on Volvos and Renaults and other manufacturers that we have at Holden's, is working on other vehicles as well, and we'll always use genuine parts no matter what it is. Also, we work on race cars. We've done several race cars, resprays as well, and that's just another variation of what we can do.